with sunrise reasoning, mindful of signs and seasoning. Every step me take it slow. If you rush the river, you miss the flow. Street corner sages, them talk for free, but truth live deeper than vanity. Me see rich man hungry, poor man wise. One good heartbeat louder than the skies. So me watch me thought them clean like rain pan the zinc. What you sow in a spirit is what you reap, me think. Hey. Sacred thoughts, keep your spirit strong. Sacred thoughts, guide you right from wrong. Sacred thoughts, hold the road so long. Yeah, sacred thoughts, your life keep you warm. Them say success is gold and chain. Me say peace are the higher game. One clear mind and a humble plate. Beat false pride, done too late. Me not about to fear, me not about to spite. Me plant good seed in a darkest night. Cause every lion need a lion heart, and every wound can teach your art. Hear the elders in a me bones. Truth no live in fancy clothes. When you know yourself, you stand up tall. When you lose yourself, you surely fall. Sacred thoughts, keep your spirit strong. Sacred thoughts, guide you right from wrong. Sacred thoughts, hold the road so long. Yeah, sacred thoughts, your light keep you warm. Yeah. Hey yo, watch your inner world, that one of the real estate. Love is the bread, patience the salt, and mercy open the gate. Tell them no matter how the storm get rough. One pure intention, one right
rush, but he reached the room. So me learn patience from the night. Every shadow still a form of light. Jah put the fire in my chest. Tell me what could leave you rest. When my head get heavy, me kneel and breathe. When my spirit shaky, me still believe. One step, two step, broke the chain. Guidance come like sweet spring rain. Eternal guidance, lead me home. Eternal guidance, guide me, Jah. When the road get rough, me not feel alone. Eternal guidance, hold me out. Eternal guidance, light my load. Eternal guidance, carry me through. Every burden me release and unload. Eternal guidance, me come to you. Me learn say wisdom no grow on trees. It grow in silence and it grow in ease. Inna the struggle, inna the test. Truth show face inna the chest. Some man chase gold and lose them soul. Me choose the fire that make more. If me lose my way in a crowded mind, your voice still there, calm and kind. Not every answer need big crowd. Some truth talk soft, but it talk loud. Eternal guidance, will me own. Eternal guidance, guide me, Jah. When the road get rough, me not feel alone. Eternal guidance, hold me out. Eternal guidance, not alone. Eternal guidance, carry me through. Every burden me release and unload. Eternal guidance, me come to you. Me say, who am I when the title fade? Who am I when the money shakes? Still a child of the ancient promise. Still a soul with Jah and earnest. So me rise with mercy and I'm a stride. And let love be me only guide. Eternal guidance, lead me home. Eternal guidance, guide me, Jah. When the road get rough, me not feel alone. Eternal guidance, hold me out. Eternal guidance, light my road. Eternal guidance, guide me through.
youth on a rough road tread. Still me hear truth now me little head. Every scar tell a sermon loud. Every step carry weight like a cloud. It's a old firm when the nights get long. Jah light still guide where the weak get strong. Man can talk, but action a proof. Me plan fear deep like a root in a roof. Hear the spirit say move now. Take off the chain them somehow. From the mud, from the pain, from the bend. Better days have to reach me, my friend. Spiritual fire, burn, burn higher. Spiritual fire, lift major fire. Spiritual fire, burn, burn higher. Spiritual fire, guide major fire. Missy man chase shine in a plated chain, but a empty hand still feel the same pain. Rich mouth talk, but the heart stay thin. When the storm kick up, who a really win? Life sweet like mango, bitter like lime. Still me sip truth from the crooked vine. If you know yourself, you can't get sold. Can't buy the soul with a pocket full of gold. So me walk slow, but me walk clean. Keep the mind sharp, keep the spirit keen. One good word can cool hot war. One pure love can open any door. Hear the spirit say move now. Take off the chain them somehow. From the mud, from the pain, from the bend. Better days have to reach me, my friend. Spiritual fire, burn, burn higher. Spiritual fire, lift major fire. Spiritual fire, burn, burn higher. Spiritual fire, guide major fire. When me weak, me remember this. Even cold got glory in a fist. Pressure shape the diamond shine. Rough river teach the stone to climb. So me sing for the little youth. Stand in a truth, live in a truth. No false crown, no borrowed name. Spirit flame can't die, same, same. Spiritual fire, burn, burn higher. Spiritual fire, lift major fire. Spiritual fire, burn, burn higher. Spiritual fire, guide major fire. Me rise pon the road with a breadfruit prior. Dust for me shoes, but me head stay clear. Every step say, yard man move with grace. Whole heap of pressure, still me nah lose face. Babylon talk, try fling doubts na me lane. Me heart like drum keep beat through rain. Me not chase shadow, me watch for the sun. One little truth can outshine 10 gun. So me walk slow, me walk through. Every breath say, me see you, me see you. The pilgrimage, the pilgrimage. Jah guide my feet through the bridge. The pilgrimage, the pilgrimage. Me soul no beg, me soul a live. The pilgrimage, the pilgrimage. Head high, heart full of grit. The pilgrimage, the pilgrimage. From the ruins me rise and sit. In the silence me hear wisdom talk. Old mango tree and the river walk. Grandma words deep, Them never dead. Use your pain like a lantern, she said. If you fall down, rise with style. Dust off your knees, keep it humble a while. Enough man a run after vanity shine, but a root and a purpose make a stronger line. So me step firm, me step clean. No false crown can rule me, me dream. The pilgrimage, Jah guide me feet through the bridge. The pilgrimage, me soul no beg, me soul a live. The pilgrimage, head high, heart full of grit. The pilgrimage, from the ruins me rise and sit. If you lose your way, listen to the earth. Every scar got proof of your worth. Make peace with the past, but no stay trapped. Go on forward, brethren, time for unwrap. Me say man a work, woman a work. Heart a beat like a sacred verb. Love is a fire, truth is the wood. Build your house on something good. The pilgrimage, Jah guide my feet through the bridge. The pilgrimage, me soul no beg, me soul a live. The pilgrimage, head high, heart full of grit. The pilgrimage, from the ruins me rise and sit. One road, one light, one name me call. True storm and praise, me stand up tall. The pilgrimage, still me trod. Every step of him to Jah and God.
Me looking at the river, see me grandfather face. All the pain them carry, still them leave a little grace. Africa in a marrow, in a bone, in a breath. Even when them broke the road, still we dance with death. Babylon build wall, but the spirit climb high. Can't cage the sun, man can't lock up the sky. Every scar a scripture, every tear of a seed. From the red soil lesson, we learn how to lead. So rise, my brother, rise. Shake off the lies. Mr. Rise, sister, rise. Open up your eyes. African reflection, look we face. Still stand firm, still know we place. African reflection, lion heart. Never lose light when the road get dark. Rasta give thanks, hear the drum. We not dead, we just begun. African reflection, strong and true. Holy fire live inside you. If you're born for hard time, that no mean you're small. The tree we bend in hurricane still lift after all. Ancient as the mountain, bright as morning dew. Wisdom in a silence, yes it travel through. Them tell we fi forget, tell we fi divide, but a one bloodstream run deep inside. From market dust to mountain mist, every little struggle get a blessing twist. So rise, my brother, rise. Shake off the lies. Mr. Rise, sister, rise. Open up your eyes. African reflection, look we face. Still stand firm, still know we place. African reflection, lion heart. Never lose light when the road get dark. Rasta give thanks, hear the drum. We not dead, we just begun. African reflection, strong and true. Holy heap of fire live inside you. When the world get cold, remember who you be. Not a shadow of fear, but a branch of the tree. Me say every true man, every true queen born for live up life and make the dream true.
reflection, strong and true. Whole heap of fire live inside you. See it in the eyes, see it in the scars. Africa living away, near and far. One old and strong. Keep carry the song. Wake up, rude boy, from your slumber deep. Concrete jungle never let you sleep. Babylon system always want to keep your mind enslaved, the secret to keep. But a new day dawning, sun in the sky. Higher consciousness, we gonna fly. Chant down Babylon with a mighty sound. Truth and wisdom spreading all around. Journeying inward where true self is found. Spirit rising from the underground. No more brainwash, no more mental chains. Break free from the sorrow and the pain. Feel the irie vibrations through your veins. Let the ancient rhythm wash away the stain. Open up your third eye, see what's true. Jah light shining down on me and you. Chant down Babylon with a mighty sound. Truth and wisdom spreading all around. Journeying inward where true self is found. Spirit rising from the underground. Bless up the morning breeze, lick me skin. It separate you out, let the light come in. Every old wounded can't stay sealed. Time and truth make the hidden part seal. Me watch the tree them bend and never break. That a life lesson every soul must take. If you carry load, your back get tight. So put it down, make the spirit get light. Easy now, easy now. Come and move slow, but it moves somehow. Hold firm, no fold. Every turn in a life turn gold. Healing winds blow through me soul. Healing winds make the broken whole. Healing winds lift me again. Healing winds wash through the pain. no beg power from no false ground. Babylon build high, then it crumble down. Real strength upon a humble tongue. Wisdom live long where the weak get young. If you're full of grudge, that's a poison meal. Forgive and move, that's a higher deal. Enough man chat loud, but them hearts they lean. Me truths clean road, keep the conscience clean. Easy now, easy now. Storm broke bread, but it can't broke no. Hold firm, no fall. Every scar tell a story bold. Healing winds blow through me soul. Healing winds make the broken whole. Healing winds lift me again. Healing winds wash through the pain. Healing winds carry me home. Healing winds leave me strong. When the night gets thick and the mind get tired, listen to the earth, let it rewire. No need for rush, no need for pretend. Every bitter season got a sweet descent. So me chant one prayer,